Hello, and welcome back to Nerdgasmic Adventures. Today, we're going to talk about what it's like to drive in Norway. Norway is a beautiful country with stunning landscapes, and driving through them can be an experience of a lifetime. However, there are some things you need to know before you hit the road. In this video, we'll give you some important tips and tricks to make your driving experience in Norway a safe and enjoyable one. Number 1, weather conditions. The first thing you need to consider when driving in Norway is the weather. Norway is known for its harsh weather conditions, which can make driving difficult. Snow, ice, and rain are common, especially during the winter months. Therefore, it's important to check the weather forecast before you set out on your journey. Make sure you have the right tires and equipment for the conditions. Number 2, roads. Norway has a well-maintained road network, but some roads can be narrow and winding, especially in rural areas. Be prepared for narrow roads with sharp turns and always drive with caution. Keep to the speed limits and be aware of any signs that indicate a sharp turn ahead. It's also important to note that in Norway, pedestrians have the right of way, so if you see someone walking on the road, be sure to slow down and give them plenty of space. Number 3, traffic rules. Norway has strict traffic rules, and it's essential to follow them. Always wear your seatbelt and never drink and drive. In Norway, the blood alcohol limit is 0.2%, which is lower than most countries. Therefore, it's best to avoid drinking altogether if you plan on driving. It's also worth noting that in Norway, you are not allowed to use your phone while driving, even if it's hands-free. If you need to make a call or check your messages, pull over to a safe place first. Number 4, wildlife. Norway is known for its wildlife, and it's not uncommon to see reindeer or moose crossing the road. Be alert when driving in rural areas, especially at dusk and dawn, when animals are most active. One thing to note, at dusk and dawn, the light is most uneven. There are bright lights either shining in your eyes or behind you. And at those times, animals can be lost in the shadows. At night, you see better because your lights are on and you can see what's crossing the road in front of you. But at dusk and dawn, it is the most difficult to drive and avoid animals. If you see an animal on the road, slow down and give it plenty of space. Do not honk your horn, as this can startle the animal and cause it to panic. Number 5, tolls. In Norway, there are many toll roads, especially in and around cities. Make sure you have plenty of cash or a credit card to pay the tolls. Some tolls are automatic, and you can pay using an electronic tag, which you can buy at petrol stations. If you're renting a car, make sure to ask the rental company if the car has an electronic tag. Getting an electronic tag might save you time and money. All right. Driving in Norway can be a unique and exciting experience, but it's important to be prepared. Remember to check the weather forecast, follow traffic rules, and be alert for wildlife. Always drive with caution, especially on narrow roads with sharp turns. And finally, make sure you have plenty of cash or a credit card to pay the tolls. We hope you found these 2 tips useful, and we wish you a safe and enjoyable journey through Norway's stunning landscapes. Thank you for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video. This is Kelly from Nerdgasmic Adventures telling you to stay adventured.